In this video we're going to be talking about Biolase Stock, a red hot biopharmaceutical company that has flown up in the last few days or so from 50 cents a share through to $1.20, and the price target for which has just been raised by multiple analysts across the United States. More on that later. If that sounds like something you're interested in today, please do smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the flip side of the intro and we'll get into the investor presentation as well. See you there. Hey guys, welcome into the video. So here we are on the landing page for Biolase Stock, ticker BIOL, and as you can see it's a dentistry company, and we started off down here at 53.48 cents a share through to not so long ago on the 25th of January $1, peaked at $1.50 and then it fell back just a little bit to $1.13 while it consolidates its new position, and a market cap of now $141 million, which is roughly about 4 times annual earnings, give or take. So if we go into the Biolase overview here, you can see that they are a global provider of lasers in the cosmetic, restorative and surgical applications for laser use, and they've sold over 40,000 laser systems into 80 countries to date, and they have a complete line of products for general dentists, specialists and practitioners and more. They've got a large IP portfolio with 257 issued and 43 pending warrants, at least $30 million in value. So they have a full array and full spectrum of laser systems and consumables to use, through soft tissue and a general use laser in dentistry work. Lasers are widely used across medicine to be minimally invasive, cause less bleeding and trauma, faster healing, enhanced precision and a patient-friendly experience as best as possibly can be for going under medical treatment. So Biolase itself uses 80% less water than other competitor devices, which obviously makes it far more efficient. There is a whole plethora of hygiene products for you to use, ranging from right up at the very top of the dentistry profession right down to the hygienists that are simply going to descale your teeth. They've got 10,000 attendees at a webinar with 3,000 follow-ups to start pushing these products out there, and there's a partnership program in place to generate even more revenue without any cash flow outflow in 2020, which puts money in the customer's pocket right now. So there's been significant growth, and there's a significant growth opportunity with 60 million people in the United States known to have gum disease or increased health risk due to the connection between oral and systemic health products. 2.7 million implants were placed in 2017 with a 6% increase year on year. Nearly 20% implants are considered failing every 2 years, which means obviously more treatment, and over 500,000 implants per year in the USA need attention in some way or another. So as I mentioned, there is different types of professions that these lasers can be using. We've got the hygienist, the dentist and the pediodontist. This company, Biolase, offers products to cater for all of these professions, from the epic hygiene through water laser dentistry, and then an even more complex water laser dentistry that's a refer out for the pediodontist. There are opportunities for this company in general dentistry, and they've got real perio results that have just been released for the protocols and perio excellence over in the United States for superior patient reported outcomes with less pain, swelling and bruising from going under the procedure, and faster procedure times. So this means that this sort of medical procedure is far more efficient than the old way of doing things. As you can see there, water laser endodontics, that's a bit of a mouthful, is solving an irrigation problem in terms of cleaning root canals and conducting root canals. As you can see on the left side here, you've got the water laser treatment that this company Biolase provides, and then the gentle wave which a competitor company provides. There's key drivers for adoption of this company that are being achieved as we go along at the moment. You've got FDA clearance, clinical support, corporate adoption and education. We're currently at FDA clearance, moving on to clinical support and corporate adoption, all in progress at the moment. And there's up to 40 million procedures that can take place so far. As you can see in the competitive landscape that we have here, dental lasers sold across the world, this company already holds a significant market share. All tissue lasers global share, Biolase has 52% of that market share already, and is pushing the product out to enhance that market share and also bring in new custom and revenue as well. So the opportunity for this company is absolutely huge. Again, we'll move on to that later. And they're hoping to gain over 1% adoption would mean a 50 million in revenue increase for Biolase. And there's all sorts of different ways that you've got here for DSOs, perio, endo, hygiene and WME GPs, all of which can generate significant revenue that I'm pointing out here, from 15 million, 50 million, 25 million and 70 million and beyond. The financial overview, it is taken a slight revenue cut since 2018 to 2019, and the global pandemic has obviously affected the company this year as well. However, analysts have still rated this company as a buy, and we'll move on to that shortly. So over here we have the recommended trends from analysts, and it is currently issued with a strong buy rating and a price target of $1.88 per share from its current position of $1.13. So the Fly Investor Analysis also has a article from Maxim, which has raised its price target to the company to $2 from seeing strong preliminary Q4 revenue, and it raised that target from $1 to $2, citing obviously the strong Q4 revenue and the continued recovery from the global pandemic. And it also states that Biolase is recovering faster than expected in this area as well. If we move on over to Twitter as well, obviously you have to have your ears to the ground on these places such as Twitter, Stockflix, Stockwits and all sorts of investing outlets, as well as Wall Street Bets, but we'll skip talking about that one for a while because that is a very hot subject right now. As you can see, the Lion stock trader here says if you short everything, do not short this company at the moment. It's got a hot, spectacular growth play. Many dentists and hygienists are going to be buying their dental lasers, and the whole cloud-based use of Waterlase is absolutely excellent for the company's further use and development. This company has the potential to be the next BNGO, which is absolutely ridiculous. So that could return over 1,000% investment on your money were it to follow that trend. Obviously, it's not the same company and the market is very volatile right now, so that cannot be guaranteed, of course. Thank you very much for watching today, guys. Obviously, Biolase has got a tremendous amount of potential, with words being like the next BNGO. That is going to get investors excited and offers a potential huge return. But with the way the market is, with such volatility, with the battle between Reddit users, Wall Street Bets, Wall Street, the brokers, there is so much volatility in the market right now. You have to be very careful with where you're putting your money. I am also obviously not a financial advisor, so please do also do your own due diligence. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure to bring you this information. Hopefully you can see your way to smashing that like button, subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next investing episode. Catch you later.